Alright, you lovely people, let's check this out. Eden Golan, Hurricane from Israel. Before we go, as you know, I'm advertising a little bit myself on Spotify, Tin Man and Sparrow. I put a link. I will be really grateful if you check some of the songs out.
Writer of my symphony, play with me, look into my eyes and see. People walk away but never say goodbye.
Alright.
Someone stole the moon tonight, took my light. Everything is black and white. Who's the fool who told you boys don't cry? Hours and hours and powers. Life is no game but it's ours while the time goes wild.
I know there's a little bit of, I don't know why, there's a feeling in between, I want to say Lady Gaga and Dua Lipa.
Every day I'm losing my mind, holding on in this mysterious ride.
Good voice,
dancing
wow.
In the storm, I got nothing to hide. Take it out and leave the world behind. Baby, promise me you'll hold me again. I'm still broken from this hurricane. This hurricane.
I don't know what's the symbology of the tree upside down with the roots basically exposed, which is not a very good thing. The song seems like a very nice power ballad, pop ballad, and obviously I'm gonna steer away from making other comments because obviously this is from Israel and what is going on here between Gaza and Israel. Of course, it's heartbreaking, and we will concentrate on the music. So, singer, quite lovely voice. Really powerful. I like it.
Living in a fantasy, ecstasy. Everything is meant to be. We shall pass, but love will never die. Hours and hours and powers. Life is no game, but it's ours. Why the time goes wild. Every day I'm losing my mind, holding on in this mysterious ride, dancing in the storm. I got nothing to hide. Take it out and leave the world behind. Baby, promise me you'll hold me again. I'm still broken from this hurricane. This hurricane.
Okay, nice solution, her going into the falsetto right there, of course. She already has a powerful voice, but to increase of an octave, I suppose, it's nice to put this part. The dancing thing, I don't know, probably those are very renowned dancers or something, but it's a little bit, tiny bit, not confusing. Yeah, I'm not very much in tune with the dancing, so I cannot judge that. I don't know if it's good, if it's bad, I don't know.
This hurricane. מילים גדולות, רק תפילות, אפילו אם קשה לראות, תמיד אתה משאיר לי אור אחד קטן.
Was that the last part Hebrew? That sounds pretty cool, man. I didn't know Hebrew sounds kind of cool like that. I want to listen to that again.
קשה לראות, תמיד אתה משאיר לי אור אחד קטן.
Sounds like also a little bit Arab. It's really strange with the same. Anyway, guys, let me know your thoughts on this as well. I think it was a pretty solid power ballad, pop ballad, with a very capable singer, and that's it. Honestly, I don't know if a song that I will go back to listen to, because a lot of those songs, they seem created a little bit with I don't know, just